I'm going to be hosting my own Bahamas cruise this February. And it was originally supposed to go to Cuba, but for political reasons, which I won't get into, because I don't know where Washington State stands, so I'll keep my opinions private. But it got rerouted because Cuba was on a travel chopping block. So I'm doing four Bahamas stops. It's a 5 or 6 day cruise. I'm doing a couple shows on it. I'm doing some workshops and meet and greets, and it's very cheap. Actually, not that I'm trying to sell it, but it's very cheap. But if you had told me back when I first started writing songs that someday I'd be hosting my own cruise, I would have said, what are you talking about? But when I listen to this next song, it sounds an awful lot like foreshadowing that someday whoever wrote this song is going to be hosting his own cruise. So Renei, would you join me for this song, please? Give it up for Renei. He's going to sing some background vocals on the song. Yeah. I'm trying to smoke a little bit.
That's okay. It's okay, garlic.
Oh, good. Perfect. Smoke and garlic's a great combination. Surrounding you and me, we took a week-long trip out on a tourist ship with flowers on your head. My jacket striped in black, gently I kissed your neck down on the surface deck, wondering how far we are from home, feeling like it's anywhere that both of us go. Surrounding you and I, we took a tiny plane. Propellers fought the rain. So then the plane went down. This is our island now, living on coconuts. Sea breeze through wicker huts, wondering how far we are from home, feeling like it's anywhere that both of us go. He's the least sensual instrument of all time. I just determined that. Let's do some outcome, always beats the kazoo every single time. I dreamed there was a place in someone else's face where I could get away with no ticket, no suitcase. We're undercovers now. It's raining out and how we love to stay in bed. Take time to not forget. Wondering how far we are from home, feeling like it's anywhere that both of us go,
Woo!